Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to our cozy creative craft. Today we are bringing you a warm, rustic touch of Christmas using simple jute craft. We will be creating beautiful Christmas tree, wreath and glass bottle decoration, all made with eco-friendly jute, burlap and a little creativity. These crafts are not only budget friendly but also perfect for mindfulness, relaxation during the holiday season. So grab your jute rope, glass glue gun and a cup of hot tea, and let's begin this beautiful crafting journey together. Let's start with the jute Christmas tree wreath. So we hope you like this video, so please must follow you till the end. Let's start with the jute Christmas tree. Take a simple cardboard once, roll paper into a cone shape. Now start wrapping jute. Twins a burlap ribbon around the cone. Begin for the bottom. Apply a little hot glue as you wrap, keeping the lines neat and even. You can leave its natural for rustic look. Add teeny fairy lights, beads or miniature ornaments for a magical snow effect. Gently dab something white acrylic paint. Sprinkle artificial snow on the edges. You can even add pine cones, wooden star to give it a natural festive vibe. The small jute tree took stunning on table, window wall, or as part of centerpiece. It's give a warm, cozy farmhouse charm to your Christmas decoration. As you wrap the jute slowly around the cone, notice you are breathing. Feel the texture of the fiber between your fingers. The simple action help calm and mind, reduce stress, and bring peace during the busy holiday season. Next, let's create a beautiful jute wreath, a symbol of love, welcome and togetherness. Start with a simple ring base. It can be made from cardboard, foam, or recycled wire hanger. Wrap jute rope all around the ring, covering every inches neatly. Once wrapped, decoration it with burlap flowers, pine cones, berries, or small bells. Add a cute ribbon bow at the bottom or a wooden sign that say Merry Christmas. If you like a more natural style, dried oranges slice, cinnamon sticks, or natural leaves, it's not only look gorgeous but also smell amazing. While making the wreath, reflect on what home means to you. Warmth, love, and belonging. This wreath become more than just decoration. It's a reminder of family connection during the holiday. Hang your Jute Wreath on the door or wall, and every time you see it, let them remind you to slow down and enjoy the simple joys of Christmas. Now let's move on the jute wrap classic bottles. Take any old glass bottle or jar, wine bottle, soda bottle, or mason jar, work beautifully. Clean them well and dry completely. Now start wrapping jute. Rinse around the bottles. You can cover it fully or partially depending on the design. Add some lace, burlap ribbon, or wooden charm for the extra details. You can also tie a bow of red ribbon or place a small pine branch. Insert fairy lights or candle in the bottle and you will have glowing rustic lantern that add cozy warmth to your room. Notice how transforming something old into something beautiful gives a sense of joy and purpose. Recycling is not just about saving the plants, it's also about bringing creativity and mindfulness into everyday life. So, my friends, we have made three lovely jute Christmas craft, a tree, wreath, and bottle decoration. Each one reflects simplicity, creativity, and love, the real spirit of Christmas. Decorating with natural material reminds us to stay grounded and peaceful even in the festive rush. So, light up your space, craft with joy, and share your handmade decoration with friends and family. If you enjoy these videos, so please don't forget like and subscribe. And if you are new, so please must subscribe our channel and must visit my channel. There is lots of beautiful and mindfulness ideas, especially DIY projects, homemade craft, and also recycling items transform into beautiful Christmas craft. I really appreciate your support when you're watching our videos and share your comments. That is your support, which I really love you and very thankful to you. Thanks for watching.